Okay, so this is again one of the most asked interview questions in the data engineering interviews, both for beginners as well as experienced people. So, interviewer asks you to differentiate between repartition and coalesce. Basic difference is repartition, it shuffles the data. It can be used to increase or decrease the number of partitions, and it is a little bit expensive. Expensive compared to Coalesce. Coalesce is cheaper. By default, there is no shuffle. No shuffle occurs with Coalesce, so no shuffle, and can only be used to decrease the number of partitions. So you cannot increase the number of partition with Coalesce. That is that thing. And so these are the basic things, but follow-up questions can be trickier. After these questions, now to test your deeper understanding, the interviewer may ask you that what if you pass a higher value than your current partition to the coalesce. So suppose currently you have only 10 partitions, and then you try to run coalesce, say with 20 partitions. What will this do? Will it throw an error? Will it throw a warning, or what will happen? Will it work or not work? Number of partitions will get increased or not increased. So such questions can be trickier, and the answer to this is the number of partitions will remain unchanged. Though even if you run this, it will not throw an error. It will just run as is, but in the background, behind the scenes, there will be no change to the partition. So the original number of partitions, that was 10, will remain unchanged. So that is first thing. Next thing the interviewer may ask you to check your understanding on these concepts is, can you shuffle the data with Coalesce? So does Coalesce allow to shuffle the data? And the answer to that question is yes. So you can provide an option to the Coalesce, and it will act as the repartition. Now that option is shuffle. So by default, shuffle is false when we deal with Coalesce, but explicitly you can set it to true, and now when you run this, it will act as a repartition, but it will not necessarily be able to increase the number of partition. It will only be able to shuffle the data across nodes. Yeah, so that's for this video. Make sure you follow for more and subscribe the channel.